What's good, YouTube? It is Jimmy, and we're back at it again with another video, man. If y'all are new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're already subscribed, I love you. And if you're not subscribed, I still love you, but just subscribe for me. Subscribe for me. Subscribe for me. I love you. I love you. I love you. Everybody, drop a like on this video. Drop a like. Drop a like. Drop a like. So today's video, we're just going to be talking about meditation. You know, a lot of y'all have been asking me, Jimmy, how do you meditate? Jimmy, what is meditation? Why do you always talk about meditation so much? What does it do for me? How do I do it? Right? And this video is long overdue. I'm sorry. I've been meaning to make this video for months. But today is finally the day. Today's the day, but the hair getting long. Oh my gosh. The hair getting long. But today's the day where we talk about it. So before I tell you guys how to meditate, you know, I'm going to talk about what meditation really is. And before I talk about it, you know, a lot of people interpret meditation in different ways. Meditation, there's not one way to meditate. A lot of people have different ideas of meditation, different definitions, different ways to meditate, right? So this is just what I do. This is my interpretation, right? But that doesn't mean you have to interpret it the exact same way. You understand me? So meditation. So all meditation is, once again, for me, all meditation is clearing the mind, quieting your mind, quieting your thoughts, escaping your thoughts and escaping this reality and only being pure consciousness, being purely in the present moment. That's what it is for me. When I meditate, I lose all thoughts. Like when I meditate, I think about nothing. I'm literally thinking about nothing. It puts me in a pure conscious state of mind. I am not worried about anything. I'm not thinking about anything. I am just in the present moment, pure consciousness, right? Does that make sense? Pure consciousness, nothing else, right? So, and what that helps me do, it helps me control my emotions, right? Makes me control my emotions, helps me control my thoughts. You know, it helps me escape from negative thoughts, negative feelings. You know, it raises my vibration. Meditation is beneficial in so many ways. It's beneficial in so many ways, right? So that was just a quick little definition of how I interpret meditation. And, I wanted to say this before I even started talking about it. A lot of, like I told you guys before in a lot of my videos, I used to be Christian. So I know some of y'all are still Christian and y'all are just, you know, first starting to get into spirituality. Bro, when I be thinking so fast, I be talking too fast and be fucking up, my fault. But when I was Christian, I thought meditation was demonic without even knowing what meditation is. So once again, you know, if you are religious or, you know, new to spirituality, meditation is nothing demonic. Meditation has nothing to do with talking to demons or none of that shit, bro. That shit was all a lie. And I didn't even know until, you know, I really experienced it for myself, right? So once again, I just explained what meditation is. All you're doing is quieting the mind, being in a pure conscious state. That's literally all it is. That's all it is. There's no talking to demons, none of that shit, right? So what do I want to touch on next? Let's talk about how I meditate. Meditation is not what you think it is. Well, what most of y'all think it is. It is not, you know, just some old Buddhist monk, you know, sitting in a temple with his hands like this, with his legs. Oh, y'all can't see my legs, but legs crossed up and shit, bro. No, that's not what meditation is. You don't have to be in that position. That is not what it is. Once again, meditation is just clearing the mind. So how I meditate, I love meditating outside, but I also meditate in my room. But for the most part, I go outside, I sit in the grass, ground myself, you know, take off my shoes, take off my socks. I am in nature. I love meditating in nature because it just makes the meditation experience so much better. So when I meditate, right, I will, like I said, take off my shoes, my socks, sit in nature. The most important part of meditation when you are first starting out is your breath work. What I do is I close my eyes. I'll be in this position, just sitting down. This is an example. Close my eyes in this position. And then what I do, once again, you focus on the breath. I breathe in through my nose. And I do that for about 5 seconds, right? I do it for about 5 seconds. I hold it for a little bit. And I breathe out through my mouth for another 5 seconds. So let me show you guys an example real quick. So I'm meditating. All right, that was a quick example of how I look when I meditate or whatever. So that's not it. That's not it. That's not all you have to do. Next. You have to focus on your breath. You have to quiet the mind. You have to quiet the mind. It'll take practice, but that's the end goal. You are trying to quiet the mind. So as you do that, you want to focus on your breath. You want to focus on nothing except your breath. And as you do that, you will see your thoughts start to drift away, and you'll literally stop thinking. You will stop thinking. Like, you notice, like, at all times of the day, you're always thinking about something, no matter what it is. And it's not even you. It's not even, you don't even want to think about those things, but those thoughts, they just come, they go. It's not you. I say this all the time. You are not your thoughts, right? You are not your thoughts. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. You'll be doing something random, and then you get a random thought. What am I gonna eat for dinner tonight? Like, you know what I mean? Or you'll get a random thought of like, oh, remember when I used to date that girl last year? Or, damn, did I really drop my croissant last year? Or some shit like that, bro. Like, you know what I mean? You get random thoughts. So once again, meditation quiets the mind. So as you do that, as you meditate, once again, let me show you guys an example. Once again, as you do that, you don't want to be thinking about anything except focusing on your breath. You just want to think in your mind. I'm breathing in. I'm breathing out, you know. Breathing in positivity. Exhaling all negativity. In, out. That's all you want to think about. Just focus on the breath, right? And as you do that, bro, everything, your mind will be quiet. You will be able to watch your thoughts. You will be able to watch your thoughts. Literally, as crazy as that sounds, you can watch your thoughts, because once again, you are not your thoughts. You're not your thoughts. You understand me? You are not your thoughts. I'm telling y'all, you're not. You are much more than your thoughts. Imagine you right now. All right. You right now. Think about something. Think about what you ate for dinner last night, right? Think about what you ate for dinner last night. Now stop thinking about what you ate for dinner last night. See, when you were there before, or when I was talking to you before, I asked you what you ate for dinner last night. You were you, right? And then I asked you what you had for dinner last night, and then you started thinking about it. That was a thought. You were thinking about what you ate for dinner last night. Before I asked you what you ate for dinner last night, were you thinking about it? No, you are not. No, you were not. Meaning, you're not your thoughts. Like, that example was kind of, it is what it is. That example was straight, but do y'all understand what I'm saying? You're not your thoughts. So, let me tell you guys my personal experience with meditation, right? So, within the first like week or two of when I first started meditating, I got the hang of it. I really did get the hang of it. I don't meditate as much as I used to, like when I wasn't like beginning of my spiritual awakening, but because I don't really need it as much, but I still try to meditate at least like, you know, once a day, once every 2 days, some shit like that. But before, I would meditate many times a day, because I needed it, you know? I needed to learn how to quiet the mind. You feel me? Like, I know how to quiet the mind without meditating now. You understand? I know how to do that shit like without meditating, because like I know how to control my thoughts now. So within the first, you know, few weeks of starting to meditate, you know, starting to ground myself in nature as meditating, I learned how to control my thoughts. Literally, I escaped anxiety. I escaped depression. I escaped, you know, negative thoughts. I figured out how to finally, you know, be in the present moment. I figured out how to control my thoughts, because I don't want to make it sound like it's easy, because it's really not easy. It's different for everybody, because, you know, let's say you try meditation for the first time today. You might get the hang of it within the first few minutes, or somebody else, it might take them a month to get it, you know, down. It's going to be different for everybody, right? But once again, as I was trying to say this before, when I was, you know, breathing in, breathing out, you know, as I told you, I sit in nature, you know, ground myself, or I meditate in my room. That is one type of meditation. There is no specific way to meditate. Do you understand me? Like, do you realize going for a walk, outside could be a form of meditation if it works for you. As you are walking outside, focusing on your breath and just being in the present moment, quieting the mind, that is a form of meditation. Meditation is not always, just sitting down, in that crisscross applesauce position with your hands like this, bro. No, that's not. Meditation is what you make it. It is what you make it. What else? If I'm trying to think, what is another? Well, y'all will know. Whatever works for you. Try different things. Because it can work for you, bro. If you like playing basketball, if you are a basketball player and you just love basketball so much, you are so comfortable in that environment. If shooting some hoops, playing basketball by yourself, in an empty park with nobody around you, just nothing, just quiet, nobody speaking around you, no cars, no nothing. And then that is just you being in the present moment, and you're, doing layups, dunking and shit. And you can be in that present moment and you are not thinking about anything but, just playing basketball, and you're literally not thinking about anything except like playing basketball. That is literally a form of meditation. Do you understand me? Because you are quieting the mind. You are being in the present moment. You are escaping, you are escaping your thoughts. You're escaping your thoughts. That's literally all meditation is. That's all it is. So, bruh, y'all can do this shit, bro. And for y'all who, have probably tried it and still struggle with it, do this. Go on YouTube, search up guided meditation for beginners. Basically what that is you put on some headphones, plug them in your phone or whatever, put that YouTube video on, and then what you would want to do is you just listen to what the person is telling you to do. So literally the person can be like, all right, y'all, this is a guided meditation for beginners. What I want you to do is, I want you to sit in a chair with your back straight, put your arms out, put your feet flat on the ground, and I want you to take a breath in. When I say take a breath in, hold it, take a breath out. That's literally what a guided meditation is. You are just listening to them and you are just following what they say. I think I did that a few times, but I didn't really like it. So once again, it's different for everybody. It is different for everybody. So if you are new, don't get discouraged or don't feel bad about yourself because, you are struggling with meditation. Like, you try to meditate and you can't stop thinking. It's normal. It is normal. You're new to it, but don't give up. Because I know a lot of people on TikTok always comment, meditation doesn't work for me. I don't know what to do. What can I do, Jimmy? Jimmy, help me. I need your help. Listen, I can only guide you on the way, but listen, it is you who can only help yourself. Me, I don't want you to look at me as, some God or some Jesus or nothing like that, bro. No, that is not who I am. I want you to think of me as like a big brother or some shit like that. Like, you feel me? I can guide you. I can help you, but I can only help you so much, right? I can only help you so much. Same thing with other spiritual TikTokers, spiritual YouTubers. Same thing. They are just guides, but I don't know what's best for you. You feel me? It is going to be different for everybody. It is going to be different for everybody. You understand? So figure out what works for you. Don't just copy everything I say. Don't copy what anybody else says. You could try it out, but figure out what works for you. Because if you are constantly doing, these other people's tactics or strategies, or you know what I mean, it might not work for you. So go within yourself. You'll know what's right for you. Whenever you try, you'll know that it's for you. You will know. Your intuition will tell you that it is good for you. Only you know what's good for you. I don't know what's good for you. I know what's good for me. I don't know what's good for you. So that's some shit you got to figure out on your own, man. But I'm telling you, meditation changed my life. Meditation changed my life for the better. And it has changed so many other people's lives for the better. I'm telling you, once you start to meditate, your life will completely change. Oh, and don't even let me get started. You meditate, sun gaze, bro, semen retention, taking breaks off of social media, bro. You start eating healthier, bro. You're unstoppable, my nigga. You are unstoppable. You understand me? You are, bro. If you do all that shit, bro, you will be unstoppable. unstoppable, my nigga. You are bettering yourself. You are bettering every aspect of yourself at the same time, my nigga. You are unstoppable. You hear me? You hear me? So I think I'm gonna end the video off on that note, bro. I love y'all niggas, bro. Like, y'all don't understand. I love you all. Like, no matter if you're a fan, you're a hater, bro, you're a troll, I still love you, bro, because you are watching my video. You're watching my video, which means you want to better yourself in some way. So I appreciate you for taking that initiative to better yourself, bro. To better, like, I'm not even saying, like, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being subscribed. Thank you for liking. But the most important thing is, I am so appreciative that you are taking a big step in your life to change your life for the better. Something inside of you told you, I need to get on my shit. Something inside of you told you, I need to better my life now. I'm not living my life to the best way, that the best, what's the word? I forgot the word, but I'm not living my life the best way that I can, right? So I applaud you. I bet nobody has said, you know, you're doing a great job. I'm so happy you're bettering yourself, this and that. I'm telling you that. I'm telling you that. And the real person who should be saying that to you is yourself. You should be thanking yourself for taking a big step in your life, or taking a big change in your life. So, bruh, right now, say this shit out loud with me. I am proud of you. Like, talk to yourself. I'm proud of you. Say it right now. Say it with me. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. I'm talking to myself. Say that shit to yourself right now. One more time. I'm proud of you. All right. I'm proud of you, and you should be proud of yourself. All right. So once again, I love y'all niggas, bro. Y'all niggas got this shit. Y'all niggas got this shit, man. I believe in y'all, and y'all got this. Y'all comment what next video ideas y'all want me to, you know, make next, cause I want to start uploading daily, or maybe every 2 days. We gonna see. But make sure y'all drop a like on this video, man. Drop a like. It would help so much. Drop a like. You know, subscribe if you're not. Send this video to somebody who, you know, wants to know what meditation really is, wants to learn about meditation, this and that. All right. So I love y'all niggas, and we gone, man.